Stop wasting hundreds of dollars every month on overpriced software. Today, I'm showing you 5 100% free AI tools that replace expensive apps and do the job. Tool 1. Deepseek Chat, the AI writing assistant that outperforms ChatGPT free. Started with a writing test, asking Deepseek to write a professional cold email, an email to a startup founder offering video editing services using AI tools. The result? Boom. Deepseek delivered clear structure, tone-perfect writing, and felt like a real copywriter did the job. And now I asked ChatGPT to write the same cold email. Warning, this AI may cause sudden creative explosions. Meanwhile, ChatGPT gives a basic, generic reply. If you need real results for free, Deepseek is the clear winner. Deepseek delivers a polished, detailed message, no limits. So, in just one test, you can already see the difference. Deepseek looks like a serious alternative to ChatGPT Plus, but completely free. Now let's try something more advanced. I asked both tools to summarize a YouTube video just by pasting the URL. Deepseek handled it instantly, giving a full breakdown of the video's content. But ChatGPT 3, it just said, "Sorry, I can't do that." That's a huge limitation for content creators and researchers. So if you're still using ChatGPT 3, you're missing out on real AI power. With Deepseek, you get better writing, more advanced features, and fewer limits for zero cost. This tool definitely earns its place on our list. Deepseek is the clear winner. This clearly proves that Deepseek replaces ChatGPT Plus. That's $49 a month saved by skipping Jasper or ChatGPT Plus or other paid writers. Savings so far, $49 a month. Tool 2. Qwen AI Video Generator. I tried generating a video using a simple prompt, an alien walking on the beach. On Sora, I hit a paywall instantly. They want $20 plus dollars just to generate. Video creation is expensive, but not anymore. Let's switch to Qwen. This free AI is insane. Qwen AI gives you chat, image generation, doc analysis, even audio and video, all for zero cost, and it's open source. Prompt in an alien walking in the beach, and boom. It gave me a full AI-generated video for free. Check this out. An alien walking on the beach at sunset. The glowing footprints, the vibe, even the waves look real. Qwen AI made this in seconds, and it's completely free. This tool is seriously next level. Now, let's try something harder. An alien playing Dama with a human. Don't blink, or the AI might start teaching math in alien language. Look at this. They're face-to-face, focused like it's a world championship. The tension, the detail, even the board looks real. Qwen AI nailed it again, and it's still free. No watermark, no limits. That's another $20 a month saved. Savings so far, $69 a month. And now Tool 3. I visited Wix. Cheapest plan, $17 a month. Want more features? You're quickly paying $40 or more per month. Now look at Durable. I entered my business name, AI Boost Lab, selected content creator, and Durable instantly generated a beautiful website with full branding and copy. All right, let's discover the result. And trust me, it's way cooler than you think. I even tweaked the title, added a timer section, and published for free. That's $40 a month saved instantly. can edit everything, text, images, buttons, just by clicking. No coding, no stress. Just type, swap, and publish. Perfect for beginners. It's lightning fast and completely free. And it doesn't stop there. Durable also writes your business copy, adds contact forms, and even gives you a built-in CRM. You can customize your logo, pick your vibe, and launch, all in minutes. For freelancers or small biz owners, this is a game changer. Game changer. Savings, $40 a month. Total savings so far, $109 a month. Want the full list in a free PDF? Drop AI in the comments and I'll send it to you. Also subscribe because we've got even crazier tools coming in part 2. MidJourney charges $120 a year, and that's just for hobby use. So I tested Krea AI, and it blew me away. I started with a simple prompt, a futuristic robot teacher in a glowing classroom. In seconds, Krea gave me 4 incredible images, and they look like scenes from a sci-fi movie. No waiting, no sign-up headaches, just click and go. I picked my favorite, and here's the cool part. With just one click, I animated the image, and it actually looked alive. The lights flickered, the robot moved slightly, super cinematic. Then Krea let me turn the whole thing into a short video, ready to share. No editing software, no complicated steps. And yes, everything I just showed you, completely free. If you're a creator, educator, or just love visuals, this is one AI tool you seriously need to try. That's another $120 saved. Music licensing can cost hundreds, but I tested Suno and typed this upbeat futuristic intro theme for a YouTube tech channel. It gave me a studio quality soundtrack in seconds, totally royalty free. Imagine how much content creators save using this versus buying music. Another $30 a month in your pocket. Saving so far, $229 a month or $2,748 per year. You've just discovered 5 powerful AI tools that replace expensive software. But here's the twist. We're just getting started. These tools help you write, design, build, and even compose music. But what if you could go beyond? Imagine an AI agent that thinks, plans, and works like a teammate, automating your entire workflow. That's what's coming in part 2. Smash subscribe now to get notified when it drops. And comment agent to get the secret list and bonus tools. And let's talk. If you could automate just one task in your life with AI, what would it be? I'll be in the comments. Subscribe for part 2.